Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about read a CSV file using Python. The before section we are learned how they open the CSV file, how can imported the CSV file in the MS Excel, what is the rules we want to follow the CSV file in the read. So now we are discuss read and write the CSV file using Python. So Python provides a module name. What is the name? Module name they will be use CSV. CSV means comma separated values. Using this you can do several operations on the CSV file. The CSV library contain objects. What is the code you have able to read, write and process data from the CSV file. So CSV file have extensively e-commerce application. How you know the e-commerce means another the business transit application because they are considered very easy to process in the language. The read a CSV file using Python. There are two see how you able to read the CSV. First is the use the CSV modular reader function. Another one use the directory reader classes. What is the way? Use the CSV modules reader function. Another one use the directory reader classes. The two ways of the reading CSV file. First one the reader function. Another one is the direct reader function. Directory reader function. When you want to read from or write a file, you must open the file. So once the reading is over, it must want to close your file. So that resources they are tied with the file or freed. So how the Python operation take the place in the following. First they will be do the step 1, open the file. You want to perform read or write the operation. After all the function is over, you want another close the file. So file name or the complete path name can be referenced either. You want which one you want to do, read or write or binary convert the codes, anything you want to do mean in between what is the model you want to give double quotation or in single quotation in between you want to give the command for what is the command you can going to use it. So Python has the built-in function open to open a file. This function returns a file object also called as handle as used to read or modify the file accordingly. For example, is a intersection and extraction you know already studied the C++. Send f equal open sample text. Sample text means sample is the file name. .txt is the text file. This is a CSV. Any format will give the extension. Open the file is the current directory and it is another. F is another file object. F is the file object. And next is another one format specifying the full path. F open which is the drive. C drive. We are using the pyproc is the another Python program and another C113 chapter 30 sample5.csv. So this way you have another full directory you want to write, otherwise you will just type the what the file name you have saved in the program, that file name. Understood? And you can specify the model while opening the file. In this mode you can specify whether you want to read or write and another or operate the file. You can also specify text or binary. You want another read the text file means text file is a binary mode more you convert the coding format kind of. So what is the format you are operate that's you have specified in the directory. So the default is reading is a text mode. In this mode while reading from the file the data would be in the form of the strings format. You know the writing the string character. So within the double quotes. On the other hand, binary mode written the bytes on it is the mode. You know the binary means another zeros or one. They converting the all the datas will be or characters or strings will be convert the codings. So used when the dealing with the non-text files like the image or text file. So what is the Python file model? What is the description? R means open the file for reading. And W means open the file for writing. Create the new file if it is does not exist and terminate the file if they exist. And X means open the file for exclusive what is the creation. If the file already exists, the operation will be failed. And A means open the another appending at the end of the without tangent cheat. So create the new file if does not exist. And T means open the text mode. And B means open in binary mode. And plus means open for the file for updating. You are in the update, reading or writing. This you are using the symbol for plus. Here one example they given f equal to open and sample.txt. Already you know that sample.txt means file name and this is a txt means text file, and equivalent to or rt. So suppose you want to open sample.txt means w you given mean you have able to write, you can't change anything. Suppose you have open read plus p mean this is able to read and you will be convert the codings for the binary mode. Python has the garbage collector to clean up the unreferenced object. Garbage collection means dustbin format, yes. So unclean up to clean up the unnecessary reference object, anything is there mean they will be cleaned. So one most not another really on it the close to the file. Suppose you want to open means f equal open text.txt. Since no mode is specified, the default mode is rt is used. rt means read and data. Turn gates, open the text mode. So from the you are here won't give anything, any you want to read or write or any want you didn't know, so they defaultly taken the mode that you option. And so the above mentioned not entirely safe if the expectation occurs when you are performing some operation with the file. The code exits without closing the file. The best way you do this using another with statement. They ensure the file is closed when the block inside the with is excited. So you need to know explicitly called the close method is done internally. So with the open.txt s mean comma or as f mean the file object to perform the f means another file operation. Closing the file with free of the resources here the tied with the file and doing done using the Python close method. How they close? F equal open sample docs and perform file operation f dot close. So automatically your file open and you have able to read. Afterwards you will go over the reading mean you will be another giving the options for f dot close, it will be close your file. Up to this part I hope you all understood. Thank you student.